Good morning. I'm calling to inquire about booking 2 rooms at the Grand Majestic Hotel.
Good morning. Thank you for your interest in the Grand Majestic. How many nights would you like to stay?
I'd like to stay for 2 nights, from December 15th to December 17th.
Certainly. Ms. Sharma, what type of rooms are you interested in?
For something comfortable and spacious, preferably with king-size beds.
In that case, I would recommend our deluxe rooms. They come with a king-size bed, a separate living area, and a spacious balcony with city views. Would you prefer 1 or 2 balconies?
We'll go with 2 balconies, please.
Excellent choice. Ms. Sharma, the rate for 2 deluxe rooms with city views and 2 balconies is $500 per night, plus taxes and fees.
Okay, that sounds reasonable. What time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in time is at 3 p.m. and check-out time is at 11 a.m. However, if you arrive early or need to stay late, we can often accommodate your request for a small fee.
Great. Do I need to make a deposit to confirm my reservation?
Yes, Ms. Sharma, we require a 1-night deposit to hold your reservation. You can pay by credit card or debit card over the phone.
Okay, I'd like to pay by credit card.
No problem. Ms. Sharma, I can process your payment now. Would you like to confirm your name for the reservation?
Yes, please. It's Ms. Maya Sharma.
Thank you, Ms. Sharma. Your reservation is confirmed for 2 deluxe rooms with city views and 2 balconies. From December 15th to December 17th. You will receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. Please enjoy your stay at the Grand Majestic.